Hack number 5 is the spot healing brush, where Lightroom has a great hack to easily identify dust spots and other imperfections. Under the remove tool in the mask panel, you can reach this instantly by hitting the Q key, and this works in either the grid panel or library panel and the develop mode. So if I just push the Q while we're in the library, that brings us straight into the develop module and straight into the mask and straight into the little band-aids highlighted. Now you can see this little box here is ticked visualize spots. I'd previously ticked that. So if we untick it, there's your image, and if we tick it, actually shows you all the dots, and you can change the scale. You can make it more or less, bring it right down, but it shows you exactly where those dust spots are and also any other things that are in your image. The white dot right in the middle here is actually the moon, but what we can do is just get rid of some of these. There's the image. If I push the Q now, it'll come up straight away like that because it's already ticked. Close it again. If I push the Q again, it comes up, but the mask isn't done, so I leave it ticked all the time, and then it's already set to go with just one simple keystroke, which is a Q.